Hello, and hope you are having a great day today. In today's health secret, we would like to share with you the secret benefit of ginger for nausea. Ginger has a long history in various cultures around the world as a natural remedy for a variety of different symptoms as well as diseases. And one of them is to treat nausea. Ginger has been used for thousands of years to treat nausea and a variety of uneasiness in the stomach. So if you are someone who suffers from nausea regularly, then ginger can be a solution for you. If you don't know what nausea is a feeling of discomfort or unease in the stomach, which can sometimes lead to vomiting. The feeling that you are kind of bloated and might want to vomit but it's not there yet, well, that is nausea. Nausea can be caused by a variety of factors, such as motion sickness, pregnancy, chemotherapy, or a viral infection. So now, let's discuss the main topic: how can ginger help in nausea? Ginger is a root that belongs to the same family as turmeric and cardamom. The entire family, ginger, turmeric and cardamom, have been used in traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The difference with ginger is that ginger contains a number of bioactive compounds such as gingerol, shogal, and zingerone. This gives its unique flavor and smell. Although being proven as a natural remedy for motion sickness for hundreds of years, modern science has proven that taking ginger supplements can reduce nausea by 38% in people who were prone to motion sickness. Ginger increases the production of digestive juices and enzymes. This can help to break down food more efficiently and prevent bloating and nausea. This feature of ginger is very effective in reducing nausea and vomiting during the first trimester of pregnancy. Ginger has also been shown effective in reducing nausea and vomiting caused by the side effects of chemotherapy. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Clinical Oncology found that ginger was as effective as standard anti-nausea medication for reducing chemotherapy-induced nausea and vomiting. Another study showed that ginger supplements reduced nausea by 40% for nausea caused by chemotherapy. Ginger is effective, ginger is cheap, and ginger is a natural way to get relief from nausea. So, how can you use ginger to relieve nausea? There are several ways to consume ginger, including ginger tea, ginger ale, ginger candy, or ginger supplements. You can choose which method to consume ginger depending on how bad the nausea is. Ginger tea or ginger ale might be perfect if you are suffering from nausea from pregnancy. Ginger candy might be the perfect choice if you are traveling and are suffering from nausea from motion sickness. However, if you are suffering from chemotherapy-induced motion sickness, then the perfect choice would be to take ginger supplements. In summary, ginger is a natural remedy that can be used to alleviate nausea and vomiting. It has anti-inflammatory properties, reduces the production of chemicals that cause nausea, has a calming effect on the digestive system, is effective for chemotherapy-induced nausea and vomiting, and is a natural alternative to medications. We have included the online shopping links of some of the best and most famous ginger-based products in our description box. If you are experiencing nausea and wish to try ginger as a solution, check out the links in the description. We got special online discounted prices just for you. We do hope that ginger would be able to solve your nausea. Do share this video to friends and families, especially those who are pregnant or are going through chemotherapy. Ginger might just be the miracle they need in their lives. We have more health secrets coming up tomorrow. Hope to see you tomorrow. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.